Hi, this is Jimit Shah and welcome to the Gyms Automation. So today we will see the practical of NO and NC. In our previous class, we have understood that how you can uh, understand how you can put the inputs and outputs of NO and NC. Right? You are understood with the simulation. Now let's understand in a practical control panel. So please note we have two inputs, input number 1 and input number 2, and we have two outputs, output 1 and output 2. So input 1 is connected with first push button and input 2 is connected with second push button. So let me show you over here. Okay, so this is first push button, which is input number 1. This is second push button, which is input number 2. Okay, and output 1 is red LED light and output 2 is my green LED light. So if you see over here, this is my red LED light, this is my output number 1 and this is my output number 2, which is connected with the PLC. So these two push buttons are connected with input 1 and 2, and these two outputs connected with my output side, output number 1 and output number 2. Right now let me open the program. I have already made a program and downloaded it to PLC. So here if you can see, we are in the online with my PLC. Okay, I have already downloaded this program. If you can see, we have inputs. This is my input, which is NO, normally open, and this is my input, which is normally closed, it is NC. So we have not triggered this input, still my output is on, output number 2 is on. Why? Because this is behaviorally this is normally closed. So as soon as my PLC will start scanning inputs and outputs, your output will be immediately turned on. Let me check, let me show you that output 2 is, this is my green light, this is my output 2, right? So this is already on, we have not triggered our input, still it is on. And this is input number 1, my output is not on. Why? Because my input is NO. So if I trigger this input 1, let me press over here. If I trigger this input 1, can you see my red LED light is on now? Okay, and if I check in the software, it is showing you this input is triggered. If I release this, okay, if I release this, my output is off and my software is showing the same thing, right? So this is happened in the case of NO input. Okay, you need to press, then only my output will be on, like this. And if you release it, my output will be off, like this, right? So my output is off in the software as well. But in the case of NC input, it is completely opposite. Here if I press my input, my output will be on, my output will be off, sorry. Why? Because this will be on. So let's try input 2, this is my input 2, right? As of now it is in NC input. Okay, NC has no special wiring connection, please understand, this is just a difference of your symbol instructions. We have not done any special wiring for this input. Okay, so if I press this, okay, my LED light is off, this is also my output 2 is off, right? If I release it, my LED light is on. Why? Because it is in a NC condition, right? So this is how you can understand NO and NC. This when this output will be triggered when this is on. Let me show you. And if I release this, it will be off. This output is already on. Why? Because my input is in NC condition. So if I press this, this output will be off, like this. Correct? So this is the understanding, practical understanding of NO and NC input. I hope you understood, right? So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next class. Thank you.